Good day everyone and welcome back to Boss Fashions. Actually this is not a planned tutorial because I've been working on this dress already, but I just decided to carry you along. That's why I started the recording. The outfits you are looking at on your screen is what I'm working on. As you can see, it's a lovely men outfit. So let's just proceed with this. Where I am presently, I measure my full length plus 2 inches. That's what gives me this length. And the breadth, I divided my circumference, which is 44 by 4. That give me 11. And this 11, I added 1 inch for my side joining. Another additional measurement is the button overlay, which is half and half quarter. Then the folding allowance is 1.5. Already I folded it in. So that is all about the additional measurement for the circumference, side joining, button overlay, and the folding allowance. Now for the back, I divided the circumference by 4 plus half plus 1 inch side joining allowance. That is about the circumference. And for the length, I added 3 inches to this front measurements. That's what gave me this back. So that is how I got the back. Then the neck is 2.5 quarter. The depth is 3 inches. So I set the thing at the down part here. If you are familiar with my tutorial, you will understand how I do cut my shoulder line. Then I folded it. That's how I got this place. And the arm mold as well. The main deal about this dress is where I am presently. That's what triggered my decision to record this video. So now, to get this design, you just place your front part on each other as if the thing is being buttoned. This is it. Actually, you have to give your fabric a good press. That's why this place is not that straight. So after laying it this way, if you look at the dress very well, here from this ½ inch upper above is what we are going to use to attach our collar. From this ½ inch downward, just extend the line this way. I'm still going to rub it, but it's just this is just going to give me the direction of where we are heading to. This is how we are going to do it. Then the thing will now go this way. The ½ inch will go to this side. Then from here, we are only following the pattern on the dress or the design on the dress. So this is what we have. So this is what we are going to cut out. We are going to place our pattern paper on it to cut the design out. This paper is not that enough, but I'm going to just manage it. We are going to trace the line out. This is a quick one. It doesn't matter how the original creator achieved his own design. What matters most is for you to understand your basic pattern. once you understand your basic pattern, it will be easier for you to manipulate the basic pattern to get your desired design. So here is it, almost done. Don't forget, we are going to add a bit a bit So every design comes from a basic pattern. That's what you must understand. If you want to create new design, just make sure you play around your basic pattern and you will achieve something great. We are done with it. So we are done cutting what gives this dress beauty. So we are going to extend this a bit downward. You can see. So this is what we need. This is what we have. So we are going to use this one now to cut our main fabric. So let's do it together. This is the right side. So for us not to forget. So let's cut it out. I'm going to use lining to part this. Let me go straight to the sewing machine. I will pipe it, then we proceed. So this is what we have after turning it with our lining. We're going to join this place together, then we are going to tack it here up to this area, button area. Let me quickly join it now. Then I'm going to tack it as well back from the sewing machine. After joining it, this is what we have. So let's quickly cut out the collar. The round neck is 18 and a half. 18 and a half. That's a round neck. 18 and a half is the round neck. So we want to cut out the collar. Yes, 18 and a half. 18 and a half, we are going to join it on both sides. That will give us 1 inch more. 1 inch more, that's 19 and a half. So this is going to be the height will be 2 1/4. So this 2 1/4, we are going to use half for the joining on the down part and half as well on the upper part. So let's cut out the main stuff first. So the second one, you can see the polo is not big one. So we are going to make use of the length of the polo. Everything is going to be one and a half quarter. So 1 1/2 quarter plus half on both sides. That will give us 2 1/2 quarter. We are going to shape this upper side. This is upper part and this is a middle point. This is for the same part. For the upper part now, let's take note of this. We are going to minus half 1 1/2. We are going to minus 1 1/2 here. But mind you, with the way the collar is, we are not going to go this way. We have to go this way. This way. Then we are going to shape it a bit. So it's just like reversing the normal polo stuff. So this is what we are going to have. This is what we are going to have. So when you fold it, it will now give you the shape of the polo. This pattern is for a fabric, but this is how I do gum my cloth gum. So remember, this is the down part, this is going to be the upper part. In short, this is how it's going to look like when we join it finish. So let me quickly join it, then we attack the polo. Here is the upper part, as you can see. We are going to attach it with this one. This is how it will be, or this is how it will. This is how the thing will be. This one will be inside. Like this, so just turn it over. This one as well. Then we are going to sew it, but we are not going to sew on this cloth gum. You only sew very close to the cloth gum edge. Yeah, as for the collar, this is what we have. After joining the shoulder, then we are going to attach the collar. So to join the shoulder now, you know, the back has facing So here is it. For us to understand it very well, I'm going to try something else now. This is a sleeve. Let me set this aside. So this is the back. This is how the shirt. This is how the front shirt will be. So you just pick it this way. I hope you can see it clearly. Pick it this way, then flip this over it. So that is how to get it right. Then you join. Let me do it again. This way. This is the normal position of the back facing, and this is the normal position of the front as well. And this back facing has to sandwich the front side. So you just do it this way. Pick this one like this. Then you flip this over it. You set and join. So I will do so. Then I will come back to show you. I'm done joining the shoulder. The next thing now, I'm going to weave all the edges, fix the sleeve, then fix the collar. I think that is all. Then the button and the buttonholes. For this shirt, we are almost done. The next thing we have to do now is to fix our collar. The sleeve has been fixed, and that's the center. So this is it. Already you can see this place has been taped down already. So if you just, this is the back. This is the back. This is the center line. You can paint this place, then find something to paint this place as well. So you are going to start from this edge. So by the time you get to this place, it won't shift because it has been painted up. You can tack it, you can paint it as well. So let me do it. We've come to the end of, before the final stage. So far, if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorial. So the final thing now is for us to turn this place in and seal it. This is it, as you can see. So we just start the joining or sewing from here. Then we are going to go over it this way back to this place, and that is all. Thanks for watching.